Greetings everyone, real quick video this morning just to show you a couple of things that I'm doing that I'm hoping will work, but once again this is just a learning experience. So starting off with a quick shot of our radishes and spinach, which are really taking off now thanks to the rain, and I'm guessing today's sun will do them wonders. As we scroll down along, our transplants are still doing well. We've got a couple of the tatsoi who've been pretty chewed, but the bugs haven't really moved on, and it's only on one side, so I'm learning. We'll see how they do. Once again, don't seem to be affected by temperature or cold. The two things that I want to record this morning, so we can keep track of. So Barb and I have decided to try some garden fleece to see how it does it in terms of keeping bugs off and protecting from cold. So we've covered her beautiful endive and everybody else with a bit of the AG19. We've done the same thing over here with my spinach, my pak choi, bok choy, kale, all those guys who've been transplanted over here. We're going to see if it'll reduce the damage. And then the last thing I did was, instead of building trellises for my peas, I went over to the compost pile and pulled out a bunch of sticks that had been trimmed off of trees. And I've inserted them in the ground. So, with any luck, they will do just great. I figure they'll work just as well and a lot less work. So hope everybody's doing okay out there in the churn. Remember, build resilience, build community, grow food, and stay strong. You can do this, everybody. One by one, we get through this. Talk to you later. Bye.